The Silva Strive is a series of flexible and lightweight running vests that has been developed together with ultra runners. Choose from 3 different colors: black, rose, and green. It's available in 4 sizes for an even better fit. The Strive Vest 5 and 10 has a packing volume of 5 and 10 litres, respectively. The vest features clever functions and pockets to store everything you need for fast runs and races. It's made of soft, lightweight ripstop nylon and thin, breathable mesh for optimal ventilation and sweat transportation. In the main compartment, there is room for your extra clothes and also a hanger for a 1-litre hydration reservoir. The Strive 10 has the same compartment, but also an extra pocket with a zipper. And a compression strap for extra storage. On the front, the vest has 2 pockets for bottles, with adjustable straps to keep them in place. There are also multi-attachment points for straws and other gear. The side pockets have dual openings on the front and side for easy access to bars, gels, and accessories. There are 2 zippered front pockets, one with a key hook. These pockets are also perfect for your phone. It is made with multi-adjustable and elastic sternum straps for a tight fit and with options to move the straps to preferred position. There is also a whistle for emergency situations. The vest has great visibility in darkness thanks to the many reflective details. There are also reflective details in the back. In the big back pocket with dual entrance, there is room for a wind jacket or similar. In the main compartment, you can place your extra clothes and also hang your hydration reservoir. There is also a small elastic pocket inside for your headlamp battery. Use the shoulder outlet for the hose to the reservoir. Use the cable outlet to connect the battery to your headlamp. The vest has multiple attachment points with movable straps. The straps can be used to place gear or running poles in different positions. You can also place the poles in the straps on the front. Alternatively, you can use the Strive Quiver, which is sold separately. It has 4 attachment points. That corresponds with these points on the vest. Remove the straps from the loops to make space for the quiver. The quiver is attached to the loops like this. The quiver features a wide opening, allowing easy access on the go. Pull the locking cord to keep the poles in place. In the bottom of the quiver, there are drainage holes for water and dirt. The hook lets you secure the excess locking cord when tightened. The quiver also has reflective details for extra visibility in darkness. The vest is sold without accessories, but the Strive family includes a range of soft flasks in different sizes and versions, and also a 1-liter hydration reservoir, as well as the Strive quiver for poles. All accessories can be bought separately. The Strive 5 and 10 are the perfect running vests for long runs and races, with plenty of storage, room for hydration, and compatibility with the Strive quiver as well as Silva headlamps. These vests are your ultimate running companion.